Hello guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this hexagon sphere shield effect in UE5 Niagara. And although this is the whole material work, but I just used the parameter in the Niagara. So let's start this tutorial how I created this. So I have this empty project of Unreal Engine 5, but first we need a mesh. So I will open this Maya, and to create a hexagon sphere, actually 100% hexagon sphere is impossible, so there will be some pentagon in it. So to create that, I will create this platonic sphere in Maya, and I'll increase the radius and then subdivision maybe 3, and I'll use triangles. And if I smooth this, I will have these hexagons, and some pentagons are also there. So now you need to remove these edges from the center. So I'll select this vertex, turn off the soft selection vertex, and if I right click and there is a option similar, select similar. If I click on this, it will select all the similar but not the 100%. You can see these are not selected. So I'll select again, and now I'll go to the checkbox and increase these to maybe 12. That will be best. You can see now